everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग रीजनिंग की क्लास करने वाले हैं जो कि स्टेटमेंट एंड कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन है। रीजनिंग में अगर लॉजिक रीजनिंग की बात करते हैं तो ये आपका फोर्थ टॉपिक है और ऑल टोटल अगर हम रीजनिंग की बात करते हैं तो हमने जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी में 20 टॉपिक्स एंड लॉजिक रीजनिंग में 4 टॉपिक्स कर रहे हैं, तो इट विल बी योर 24th टॉपिक। एंड अगर हम रीजनिंग के ऑल टोटल क्लास की बात करते हैं तो ये आपका 164th क्लास है। ऑलरेडी हमने 163rd क्लासेस कर लिया है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या फिर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे। एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सकें। इन ऑल टोटल 163 क्लासेस की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो फर्स्ट वी हैड डिस्कस्ड अबाउट एनालॉजी दैट इज इन द मेंटल जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी। उसके बाद हमने क्लासिफिकेशन किया है, फिर हमने सीरीज कॉम्पिटिशन किया है, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग किया है, ब्लड रिलेशन किया है, पजल टेस्ट किया है, सिक्वेंशियल आउटपुट ट्रेसिंग किया है, डायरेक्शन सेंस टेस्ट किया है, देन वी हैड डन लॉजिकल वेन डायग्राम, अल्फाबेट टेस्ट, एंड देन वी हैड डन नंबर रैंकिंग एंड टाइम सीक्वेंस टेस्ट हियर। देन आफ्टर दैट मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन, लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स हमने किया है। उसके बाद फिर हमने अरिथमेटिक रीजनिंग किया है जो कि मैथमेटिकल पार्ट था। इन सेटिंग द मिसिंग कैरेक्टर, डेटा सफिशिएंसी, डिसीजन मेकिंग। उसके बाद फिर हमने किया है असर्शंस एंड रीजंस। उसके बाद हमने सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट किया है, देन वेरिफिकेशन और प्रूफ ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट किया है। एंड लॉजिक रीजनिंग में भी हमने लॉजिक स्टार्ट कर दी, कंप्लीट कर दिया है, स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट्स किया है, स्टेटमेंट अजम्पशंस किए हैं, और अब जो हम कर रहे हैं स्टेटमेंट कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन करेंगे। सो बेसिकली इसकी बात अगर हम करते हैं तो इन ऑल टोटल वी हैड कवर अप 24 टॉपिक एज यू कैन सी हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20 21 22 23 24. This is the 24th topic, that is statement course of action. Now we'll start with that. Here you have a course of action is a step of an administrative decision to be taken for improvement, follow-up or further action as regard to the problem, policy, etc. on the basis of the information given in the statement. The question is in this section does involve finding an appropriate course of action, assuming the problem or a policy being talked about in the statement. तो जो भी स्टेटमेंट में बात की गई होगी उसके रेफरेंस में जो कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन क्या एक्शंस लेने चाहिए या फिर क्या फॉलो अप्स होंगे उनके, that the action to be regarded on that basis of the statement that has been given in the form of the course of action, and that you have to decide it. For this, we'll discuss first this type first here, that is, in this type of a question, a statement is given followed by the two courses of action. Basically इसमें क्या होगा, एक statement दिया होगा, दो course of actions दिए होंगे। जैसे भी statements और assumptions में हम statement और arguments में कर रहे थे कि दो assumptions दिए होते थे, दो arguments दिए होते थे एक statement के। यहाँ पे आपको दो 1 and 2 named करके ऐसे course of actions दिए होंगे। The candidate is required to group the statement, analyze the problem. Our policy is mentioned to decide which of the course of actions logically follows, that what you have to answer. As you can see here, for the first question of the session, there it is, the statement has been given here that many cases of cholera were reported from a nearby village. The course of action, the first course of action is given that the question should be raised in the legislative assembly, and the second is a team of doctors should be rushed to the village. This has been asked here, and that is the statement has been given, and with respect to that the statement we have a course of action here, that the two course of action has been also given. So according to these course of action you have to proceed with it, and as you had done in arguments and assumptions. With regard of that here, clearly the disease has to be eradicated from for this the proper and immediate medications and preventive measures by the doctors necessary. So only the course of action, that is second, follows, and for that second is follows, we'll go ahead with the answer, that is second will follow here. लेट्स गो अहेड। ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि सिर्फ एक ही फॉलो करेगा, एक से ज़्यादा भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। अभी यहाँ पे जो टाइप 1 है उसमें हम 2 कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन को देखेंगे, बट इन द नेक्स्ट टाइप 2 वेयर विल डिस्कस अबाउट मोर देन 2 कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन एज वेल। सो दैट इज़ नॉट मैंडेटरी कि आप सिर्फ एक ही या दो ही आप कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन से डील करने वाले हैं। Moving ahead with another one, and that is the statement, the second question of the session, and the statement we have been given that Japan is not likely to grant India's request for dollar 500 million fast disbursing loan for the current year. The course of action, first course of action is India should approach other countries to get a loan. The second is India should persuade Japan to grant the loan to meet its immediate demand of the foreign exchange. With regard of that here, clearly to the remedy of the problem, India can either stress its urgency and persuade Japan itself, or it shall look to another country for the same purpose. Thus either first or second course of action can follow. With regard of that, we can say that it could be follow first or it could be follow second, not both, either first or either second. Moving ahead with another one, and that is the third question of the session here. The statement has been given that people residing in some tribals area are far from education. The course of action first is we have schools for children's and adults should be opened there, and that is the second course of action we have is social workers should be entrusted with the job of educating them. With regard of that here, clearly to make a permanent arrangement for education in remote tribal areas, schools have to be opened in those very areas, and education by the social workers shall be a temporary remedy. So only the course of action first will follow here, and we can say that first will follow, and we'll go with option A, that first will be follow here. Move ahead with fourth question of the session here. Here we'll go ahead with your fourth question of the session. The statement is being given is that India today is a midstream in its demographic transactions. In the last 60 years, there has been almost a continuous decline in mortality, while fertility has declined over the last 20 years. The consequences in that there not be, and for that we can say that for that should be a talent here, and the course of action is India should immediately revitalize its family planning program, and the second is the government should immediately launch a massive education program through mass media, highlighting the implications of the population growth at the present rate. With regard of that, if I'm talking about here, where the growth 20 years and the consequences in these, there are has been a rapid growth in the population over the last 50 years. So here with regard of this, we can say that the for the according to the statement and the course of action that yeah, we are dealing here, and with regard of that should be growth of the parental present rate. So clearly to face the problem of the ever growing population and effective family planning program for the people to have some like people have small families is must, and education shall further stress the advantages of having a less numbers of children, and that disaster of the fast growth in the population. Thus both of the course of action will follow, and with regard of that we can say both are follow. So we will go ahead with option first and as well as the second course of action here. For the fifth question of the session that we have here, the statement is that there are more in the in this from the sixth question here, that in each of the question below is to given the statement. As you can see, the course of action as numbered 1 and 2. You have to assume everything in a statement to be true, and then decide which of the two suggested course of actions logically follow for pursuing. And for that case, you have to answer A if only first follow, and B if only second follow, and C if either first or second follow, and D if neither of a first or second follow, and with regard of that E if both first and second follow. So we will go ahead with the question here, and that is for the fifth question of the session. That is, there are more than 200 villages in a hill station of UP which are severely damaged due to the clones and causes of the extra burden of rupees 200 crores. Okay, so that in 200 crores on state government for relief and the rehabilitations work The state course of action we have is that I people, the first is the people of the hill station are should be shifted to the other safer places, and the second we have is the state government should ask a more financial support from the central government. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper as well, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise here. So here we'll go ahead with it, and with the reference to this, that is, since severe damages has been caused by the cyclone, because in shifting the villages ought to be shifted and to safer places, and also since relief work entails huge amounts financial help from the central government is a must. So both the courses of the follows, and for that both are follows, so we'll go ahead with the first and the second both, and that will be the right answer, the first and the second here, the both are follows here. Now moving ahead with sixth question of the session here. Sixth question of the session we have, the statement we have is, the minister said that the teachers are still not familiarized with the need of that importance and meaning of the population education in the higher education system, that are not even clearly aware about their role and responsibility in the population, that is addictions program. Now for that, population education program and the cause of action, that is first we have is population education program should be included in the college curriculum, and the second is orientation program should be conducted for teachers and population education. So this has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about. So clearly the statement stresses on teachers lack of awareness and knowledge for education population, and population education as such, that the best remedy would be to guide them is in the field or through the orientations program, so that the second follows, and for that second is follows, we'll go ahead with option second, and that will be the course of action that will the second follow here. Okay, so just write it down here, the second follows here. With regard of that, we'll go ahead with another one, and that is your the seventh question of the session here. The statement is that a group of schools student was reported to be enjoying at a picnic spot during the school hours. The course of action first is that the principal should contact the parents of those students and tell them about the incident with a real warning for future, and the second is some disciplinary actions must be taken against those students, and all other students should be made aware of it. With regard of that, if I'm talking about here, clearly both warning and future preventions are necessary, so both the course of action follows, and for that I will go ahead with option E will be the right answer for this question, as I mentioned you as an options. So in sixth question, for the second only, so it will be gone with you will go with B, and for the second for fifth one, that is for both first and second, we'll go with E here. Okay, so here we have to go on with options, so yes, you will have to clear with that. Now we're moving ahead with another one, and that is your the another question, and that is the eighth question of the session here. The statement has been given that the financial stringency prevented the state government from paying the salaries to ill employees since April this year. The course of action first we have is the state government should immediately curtails the staff strength at least by 30%. The second is that the state government should reduce the wasteful expenditures and arrange to pay the salaries of its employee. And with regard of that, if I'm talking about for the eighth question here, in terms clearly curtailing of the staff strength will only increase the panic and discontent, when the satisfaction of the employee is must, and so the government should arrange for payment of wages, thus only second follows here, and for that second is follows here. So yeah, second is follows. We'll go ahead with option B would be the right answer for this question here. In regard of that, we'll go ahead with another one, and that is the another one question, and that is your ninth question of the session here. The question we have is, the statement we have is that the state government decided to be declare Kala Azam as the notifiable diseases, or that is under the Epidemic Act. Family members or the neighbors of the patient are liable to be punished in the case they do not inform the state authorities. Cause of action first is that efforts should be made to efficiently implement the act, and the second is the cause of the punishment should be propagated through the mass media so that more people become aware of that stern action. In regard of that, the act is aimed at eradications of the disease, and so that it needs to be proclaimed and promoted. So both the both the courses follow. Because both the courses follow, we'll go ahead here, that is will the option E will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the 10th question of the session, and that is, the statement we have here is, one of the problem facing the food processing industry in the irrigation, and that irrigation supply of raw material, the producer of the raw material are not getting our wood price, and of course that is the course of action. First we have, the government should regulate the supply of the raw material to the other industries. The second is, the government should announce an attractive package to ensure the regular supply of raw material for the food processing industry. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. Clearly, to be the remedy of the problem of the food processing industry, a regular supply of the raw material should be ensured, and for that sake, that's the second option will be the right answer, and for second we'll go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 11th question of the session here. So here we'll go ahead with the 11th question. The statement has been given that the officer in charge of the company had a hunch that some money was missing from the safe. The course of action, the first course of action is that he should get recounted with the help of the staff and check it with the balance sheet. The second is, he should inform the police. With regard of that here, clearly a suspicious first needs to be confirmed, and only when it is confirmed should an action is to be taken, and only the course first is follows, and for that first is follows, we'll go ahead with option B will be the right answer. Sorry, we will go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 12th question of the session, and the statement we have is, the government has decided to provide the financial support to the voluntary organizations for the next 5 years. Plan has been communicated that all such organizations should raise funds to meet their financial needs. The course of action, the first course of action we have here is, that is, the voluntary organization should collaborate with the foreign agencies. The second is, they should explore other sources of financial support. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about. With regard of that, the problem arising is a shortage of fund, and so alternative source of the financial support need to be worked out first. Thus only the course second will be the right answer, and for that second will be the right answer, we'll go ahead with option B will be the right answer here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 13th question of the session here. As you can see, the 13th question of the session, the statement we have is, some serious blunders were detected in the accounts section of a factory. The first course of action we have is, an efficient team of auditors should be appointed to check the accounts. The second is that a show cause notice should be issued to all the employees involved in the irregularities. With regard of that, clearly the situation depends that the faults in the accounts be properly worked out, and the persons involved in be integrated about the matter, and so both the courses follows, and with both the courses follows, we will go ahead with option E will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 14th question of the session. The statement has been given that if the retired professor of the same institute are also invited to be deliberate and restructuring the organization, their contribution may be beneficial to the institute. The first course of action is the management may seek opinion of the employee before calling retired professor. The second is the management should involve experienced people for the systematic restructuring of the organization. This has been asked in the bank VO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. Clearly, the statement stresses that the contributions of retired professors should be beneficial. This means that these people's experience, the regard of working of the organization is helpful. So only the course of action that is second will be follow, and with regard of that we will go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 15th question of the session here, as you can see. And the 15th question of the session is, the statement is that Doordarshan is concerned about the quality of its program, and particularly is viewed of itself competition if it is facing for a star and the other satellite TV channels, and contemplating various measures to all attract talent for its program. The course of action first is, if an effort to attract the talent, the Doordarshan has decided to revise its fee structure for the artist. And the second is, the fee structure should be revised until other electronic media also revised it. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. Clearly, the decision to review its fee structure for article is taken by Doordarshan as a remedy to the challenge program, and that had arises before it cannot wait till other media take action. So only course of action first will follow here, and for that first is follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 16th question of the session, and the statement has been given, that is, the youngsters are often found staring at options partner, and the course of action first we have is that children should be punished and penalized if they are found doing so. The second is, any display of such material should be banned. With regard of that here, bad things attracts more, and the punishment after the act has been committed is no remedy. The act should be prevented. So only second will follow, and for the second will follow, we'll go ahead with your second will be follow, and with regard of that we'll go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 17th question of the session here, and that is, the statement has been given, since its launching its in 1981, Vayu Doot has so far accumulated losses accounting to the rupees 153 crores during the last 10 years. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise here. Now moving ahead with the course of actions. Course of action first is that Vayu should be directed to reduce the wasteful expenditures and to increase the passenger fare. The second is that an amount of the about rupees 300 crores should be provided to Vayu to make the that is to make airliner economically viable. With regard of that, clearly for the better economic gain, losses should be reduced and income should be increased. So only the course of action, that is the first will follow, and for the first will follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the another one, and that is the another question, and that is, the statement has been given here, that is, the Indian electronic component industry that is venturing into the West European markets faces a tough competition from the Japanese. The course of action is that India should search for other international market for its product, and the second is, India should improve the quality of the electronic components to compete with the Japanese in the capturing these markets. So this has been asked in the bank PO question paper here. In regard of that, an escapist attitude does not help much. The need to compete and emerge successfully, so we'll have to go with option second, and that is the option second will be the right answer, and for that will second course of action will follow, and we'll go with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the 19th question of the session. The statement has been given here. A recent study shows that the children below 5 dies in the cities of the developing countries mainly from diarrhea and a parasitic intestinal worms. The course of action first is that the government of the developing countries should take an adequate measure to improve the hygiene condition in the city. And the second we have is children below 5 years in the cities of developing countries need to be kept under the constant meditations. With regard of that here, clearly the two diseases mentioned are caused by the unhygienic condition, and so improving the hygiene condition is a step forward. Their eradications also and constant medicines will help timely detections of the disease, and hence a proper treatment. So both first and second follows, and for that both first and second follows here, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the 20th question of the session here. And the 20th question, as you can see here, that is the statement has been given, and the statement is the sale of a particular project has gone down considerably, causing the great concern to the company. The course of action first we have is the company should make a proper study of the rival production of the market. The second is the price of the product should be reduced and quality improved. With regard of that, clearly a study of the rival products in the market will help the assess the cause for the lowering down of all the prices, and then suitable actions will be taken, and for that sake we will have an option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 21st question of the session here, and the statement has been given that every year at the beginning or at the end of the monsoons we have some cases of the conjunctivitis, but this year it seems to be a major epidemic witnessed after nearly 4 years. The course of action first is that a precautionary measure should be taken after every 4 years to check the epidemic, and the second is people should advise to drink boiled water during the rainy season. In regard of that, here we can say that the disease occurs at the end of the monsoons every year, so precautionary measures every 4 years shall not help. The second course of action shall be preventable measures, so only the second will follow, and for that sake second will follow, will go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 22nd question of the session. The statement has been given here that food paths of a busy road are crowded with the vendors selling the clays items, and the course of action the help of the police should be sought to drive them away. The second is some spaces should be provided them where they can earn their bread without blocking footpaths, and for this case here, with regard of that, the footpaths are meant for an entirely different purpose, so they need to be kept empty, and for this the police has in its to be sorted, and also the vendors cannot be deprived of that living. So both the courses are right, and for that both the courses are right, and for that sake we have an option A will be the right answer for this question here. So we'll go ahead with E option here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 23rd question of the session, and that is the statement has been given is that researchers are feeling agitated as libraries are not equipped to provide a right information to the right user at the right time in the required format. The course of action is that all the informations available to libraries should computerize provided a facility is increased, and the second is the library staff should be trained in the computer operation. Here the clearly the library needs to be provided with essentials facilities and a trained personnel for better services, so both the courses follow, and for both the courses follow we will go ahead with option E will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 24th question of the session here. Here we'll go ahead with the 24th question of the session. 24th question of the session here, that the statement has been given that exporters in the capitals are alleging the commercial bank Now we have a 24th question of the session. The statement has been given as your that exporters as the capitals are allowing that commercial banks are violating the Reserve Bank of India directing to operate last stipend shipment export could not be that is denominate in the foreign the currency as international in refused till from Jan. The courses of action is that the officers concerned in the commercial banks are to be suspended, and the second is that the RBI should be as had to stop giving such directories to the commercial banks. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. For this, the statement mentioned that the commercial banks violate a directive issued by the RBI. The remedy is only to make the banks implement that act, so none of these courses will follow here. And with regard of that, we will go ahead with option D, and that is option D will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 25th question of the session, and the question we have is, the statement we have is that the police department has to come under the cloud with the recent that is revelation that at least two senior police officials are suspended to have been involved in the illegal sale of the large quantity of the weapons from the state police armory. The course of action first we have is a thorough investigations should be ordered by the state government to bring out all those who are involved into the illegal sale of arms. And the second is the state police armory should be kept central government's control. With regard of that, clearly the situation demands finding out the real culprit first, and so only first will follow. And with the first will follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 26th question of the session here. The statement has been given that India's performance in the recent Olympic Games was very poor. Not even a single needed could be badged by the players, and the government has spent rupees 5 crore in training and deputy a team of the players to participate in the Olympic Games. The course of action first is India should stop sending players to future Olympic Games. The second is the government should immediately set up an inquiry commission to find out the reason for the India's dismal performances. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper as well, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise, where clearly the compete against a challenge. The first step must be to find out where the lacking is, so a course of second will be follow, and for that course of second will follow, we will go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 27th question of the session here. As you can see that the 27th question, the statement has been given is that state courts take too long in deciding the import disputes of the various department. The first course of action is that court should be ordered to spend up matters, and the second is your that special powers should be granted to the affairs to settle disputes concerning their departments. With regard of that here, clearly that is for a quick disposals of this cases. And with regard of the cases here, either the matters in the court should be speeded up, or the matter should be clear and but up in the their respective departments to be prevent DLA. So both the courses will follow, and for both the courses be followed, so we'll have an option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 28th question of the session here, and as you can see, the statement is to the committee criticized the institute for its for a failure to implement a dozen of the regular programs despite to increase in the staff stems and not drawing up to the firm action plans for studies and research. The course of action is, the first is that the broad objectives of the institute should be defined to implement a practical action plan. The second is the institute should give a report on reasons for not having an implement the pleasure program. The problem is that despite as increase in the staff strength, the institution has failed to the objectives of implementing its plan. So either they should be resigned, or they should be the reason for the lacking of the plans are failure, and must be revised for the practical implementation. Thus both the courses will follow, and for both the courses will be following. So here we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 29th question of the session, and the statement we have is Mr. X, an active member of the union, after insults his superior in the office with his rude behavior, and the courses of action first we have is it should be transferred to some other department, and the second is the matter should be referred to the union. With regard of that, clearly only the remedy is to how somehow attempt to change the habit. If transferred, the habit will with regard of that, it will assess, that will be create a problem elsewhere, and also no legal complaints to be referred to the union. So none of the courses will follow, and for that sake we will have an option D will be the right answer for this question here as well. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 30th question of the session that we have to discuss here. 38th question of the session here, that the statement is a leading US multinational engineering and construction firm is keen to invest in India in a variety of the sectors ranging from the power to land management. The course of action first is such multinational companies should not be allowed to operate in India. The second is India should encourage the multinational companies from other developed countries and to invest to power sectors to being in a competitive climate. This has been asked in the bank paper question paper. With regard of that here, clearly financing is a major problem in starting any project. The investment is to multinational companies shall therefore be the way of the development. So post second will should follow, and for that sake we'll go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's move ahead with another one, and that is your for 31st question of the session. The statement is that the government could consider the possibilities of increasing the software budget from the current of rupees 20 crores or to 100 crores in English plan, provided there are the concrete suggestion for the utilizations of the fund. The course of action first is that the government should consult the trade union in this regard. The second is that the software companies should submit a detailed proposal of the government. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise here. In regard of that, we can say in reference to this, we can say that clearly the suggestion shall be offered in the government only through the detailed proposal by the software company. So the second shall be follow, and for that we will go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 32th question of the session, and that 32th question of the session, the statement we have is the chairman stressed the need of making the education system more flexible and regretted that the curriculum has not been revised in keeping with the pace of the changes are taking place. And the course of action first is your curriculum should be reviewed and revised periodically, and the second is systems of education should be made more flexible. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. With regard of that, clearly the situation demands making the education system more flexible and changing it periodically according to the need of the time. So both the courses will follow, and for both the courses will follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 33rd question of the session, as you can see here. With regard of that here, and that is the 33rd question of the session. The statement is a shopkeeper was suspended reported to be selling adulterated grains, and that is the course of action first is he should be fined and his shop sealed, and that is second is that he should be asked to leave the town and open a shop elsewhere. With regard of that, clearly if allowed to continue without being punished, the shopkeeper would create a problem elsewhere. So first shall follow, and for that first shall follow, that will go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 34th question of the session. The statement we have, in spite of the principal repeated warnings, a child was caught exploding the crackers secretly in the school. Course of action first is that all the crackers should be taken away from the child, and he should be threatened not to be do it again. The second is the child should severely punished for his wrong act. With regard of that, since the act has been repeated despite various warning, So the course first would only be the another warning and would not help. Severe punishments is a certain example of for him, and other is inevitable, and thus the course second will follow. And for that second will follow, will go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 35th question of the session. The statement we have been here is your a train derailed near the station while moving over a bridge and fell into the river. The course of action is the railway authorities should clarify the reason of the accidents to the government, and the second is the government should allocate funds to the compensate the destructions caused. With regard of that, here what is necessary is the preventive measure to protect the passengers and pay them adequate compensations. So none of the courses follow, and for none of the courses follow will go ahead with option D will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 36th question of the session here. 36th question of the session, the statement has been given here. Most of the children in India are not able to get education because they get employed to earn a livelihood in the childhood only. And the second is education should be made compulsory for all the children up to the age of 14. Second is the employment of the children below the age of 14 should be banned. With regard of that, to educate all the children's enforcement of education is necessary, and also the reason is that they are employed, and a ban on such employment is also needed. So both the courses will follow, and that will go ahead with option E will be the right answer for this question here as well. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is another question, that is the 37th question of the session. The statement has been given here. Ministry of Tourism in its own one of the report revealed that due to the recent social disturbance in the countries of the number its foreign that here and tourist has been directed considerably, which resulted in the financial loss of the rupees 100 crore. The course of action is that the government should provide the financial support to the tourism sector. The second is that foreign tourists should be informed tourist the country at their risk. Clearly, the situation demands maintenance the peace of the country, so that the reason that the original numbers of tourists are not to be suffer a fall or the revenue earned. So none of the courses follow, and for the none of the courses follow, we'll go ahead with option D will be the right answer for this question here. Next, move ahead with our 38th question of the session here. And the question is, the statement is that the Central Bureau of the Investigation receives the complaint of an officer taking bribe to do the duty he is supposed to. The course of action is CBI should try to catch the officer red-handed and take the strict action against him. The second is that the CBI wait for some more complaints about the officer to sure about the matter. With regard of that, clearly the one complaint is enough for a wrongdoing. They should be this should be confirmed by catching the guilty and red-handed, and then restrict the actions taken against him. So here with a first will follow, and for that sake we will have an option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 39th question of the session. The finance minister submits his resignations that is a month or before the how budget new budget is to be presented in the parliament. The first we have course of action that the resignations should be accepted and another person should be appointed for the finance minister, and the second is that the resignation should not be accepted here. With regard of the here, clearly is already working a finance manager shall know better all the plans and the resources of the government, and he also can represent a suitable budget. So the course second shall should be followed, and for that sake we have an option B will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is another question, 40th question of the session. The statement has been given that the librarians of that finds some cases in which the pages from certain books issued from the library are torn, and that is the course of action is that the librarian should keep a record of books issued to each student, and in the if the pages are found torn, strict measures should be taken against a child. And the second is some funds should be collected from the children collectively to remote the library, and with regard of that Clearly, the precautions should be taken to catch the guilty person to punish him to the act, and for that, this alone will help to curb the wrong practice. So only the first will follow here, and for the first will follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer here. Let's go ahead with 41st question of the session. That the statement has been given. The Asian Development Book Bank has approved $285 million loan to the finance a project of the construct coals parts of the Paradip and the modern port streets. And the course of action is that India should use financial assistance from the other international financial organization to develop such ports in other places. The second is that the India should not seek such financial assistance from international financial agencies. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. So clearly such projects should be assets and source of income of the country later on, and so course first shall be follow, and for first shall be follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 42th question of the session, and the statement has been given. The secretary uh, that secretary lampshaded that the electronic media was losing its credibility, and that should be tried to regain it by the establishment being a communication with the listeners and the viewers. He also emphasized the new for the training, improve the functioning. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about here. Let's go ahead with the course of action that we have to deal. The first course of action is that the effort should be made to get organized a feedback on the program. The second is that the critical area without the staff requires the training should be identified, and with regard of that, clearly both the courses directly follow from the prerequisite mentioned in the statement. So we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 43rd question of the session. That is the killer criteria that is the killer that criteria fewer has so few claimed 100 lives in some tribal villages in MP during the past 3 years. The course of action is that first is that the resident of these villages that is should immediately be shifted to a non-infected area. The second is the government should immediately send a medical squad to this area to restrict the spread of the killer diseases. In regard of that, clearly the first course of action is weak, and because if the people are shifted to a non-infected area, the infection will spread there as well. The remedy is not only to fight the disease and restrict its spread, so the second will follow, and for the second is follow, we'll go ahead with option B will be the right answer for this question. 44th question of the session, the statement has been given, that is the Odisha and the Andhra Pradesh have agreed in the principles to set up a joint control board over the better control management and the productions of the several interest multi-purpose project. The course of action, first we have the other be saying that a neighboring should set up such controls board. The proposed control board should not be allowed to function as such joint boards are as always ineffective. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper here. Here, the effectiveness of such control boards is established by the fact that the Odisha and Andhra Pradesh have agreed to it, and for better control for the multi-purpose project. So only the course first will follow, and for that first will follow, we'll go ahead with option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 45th question of the session. The statement is that certain mining industries is in Gujarat may come to the standardized because of the notification issued by the Department of the Environment and Forest banning missing operations, mining operations and the industries alike with the 25 kilometer of the national park, the game sanctuary of the resort forest area. The course of action is that the department should be asked to immediately withdraw notification and without the notification, and as the second is the government should make effort to shift the park and sanctuaries and reserves forest to the other non-mining areas. In regard of that here, where clearly none of the courses of actions follows, because firstly the notification is issued to promote the national environment is issued to promote the national environment, and so cannot be withdrawn, and secondly the sanctuaries etc., and cannot be shifted. So with regard, because both are not followed, neither first and nor second, so we'll go ahead with option D will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 46th question of the session here. The statement has been given that most of the development plans develops in the proper only. The course of action, first we have the in charge should be instructed to the supervisor to the field of the work regularly. The second is the supply of the paper to such department should be cut shortly. With regard of that here, clearly the proper supervision alone can be seen development in practice, and so only goes first will follow, and for that sake we'll have an option A will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with 47th question of the session. The statement has been given. Some serious blunders were detected in the account sections of a factory. The course of action, first is an efficient team of an auditors should be appointed to check the account. The second is that a show cause nature and a notice should be issued to all the employees involved in the irregularities in here. Clearly the urgent need to be detect to the blunder and improve it, and reason do not matter that much, and so only first will follow, and for that sake we have an option A will be the right answer for this question here as well. So we'll go ahead with option A. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 48th question of the session here. The statement has been given. The government will slap legally enforceable penalties on the companies deforming on equality and quantity of coal supplies to the bulk consumers, especially to the thermal power station. The course of action, first is that the requirements of the coal for the thermal power station should be assured realistically. The second is that the coal companies should introduce welfare measure for their employees. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper as well. Clearly, none of the courses of action is suitable follow-up for the Government Act and against the definition. So neither first and nor second will follow. And for that sake, we will have an option D will be the right answer for this question. So class, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Even though, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay. So in terms of reasoning, as I told you, reasoning is divided into two parts, that is verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning भी दो part में divided है, as I told you many times in the classes. There are that is general mental ability and the logic reasoning. And in general mental ability we had cover up analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number rankings, time sequence test, mathematical operation, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, verification of the truth of the statement. In the logic reasoning, we had covered up about logic, that is statement argument, statement assumptions, course of actions, statement conclusion, deriving the conclusion from the passages, theme detection, question statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzle. Then in the non-verbal reasoning here, that we have to discuss the series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete patterns, figure matrix, figure folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, constructions of squares and triangles, figure formation and analysis, and then practice question paper. That what we have to discuss here. First of all, it's a huge request, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.